Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download GTA Vice City on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your web browser and go to official website of Rockstar Games. After that, sign into your account and you will be on this page. Here, go to Games tab and click on View All. All of the games from Rockstar will be displayed on your screen. Now scroll down and look for GTA Vice City. Once find, tap on it and here click on Buy. After that, complete the payment process and game will be downloaded on your PC. There is another Steam version of this game. So to download that, open up Web and make sure you are signed in. After that, go to search bar and search for Grand Theft Auto and press enter. Many versions of GTA will be displayed on your screen. Here, look for this Grand Theft Auto the Definitive Edition and click on it. Now you have to purchase this game and the game will be downloaded on your PC. So that's basically how you can download GTA Vice City on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.